How do you like this hike up this hill?
Oh my goodness, I'm tired. We just walk only like what, 5 minutes? Less than 5 minutes?
Yeah, about halfway to our
No, but the
hotel. Our hotel is up that way.
It's a rough road.
Yep. Trying to pull our luggage up the hill.
You're gonna ruin your luggage.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Look how steep it is now.
And we're looking down the hill. Kind of steep, little steep. I suppose that's a 10-degree grade. And our hotel is, we're probably about halfway there.
Halfway there? Oh my god.
Yep, it's up there somewhere. And with the elevation, we just got here, so we're not acclimated to the elevation at all. And I can feel my lungs burning a little bit.
Yeah, me too.
Looking for a little bit more oxygen than what we're getting. So, but we're doing okay. But we're here.
It's not hot. It's nice.
Yeah.
I can feel the breeze.
Yeah, nice breeze.
Yeah.
So,
But at least we're here.
we're here.
We just got here safe.
Yeah, we're a little early for the check-in time for our hotel because it's only what, 11 or so.
Yeah, maybe we can just
So we're going to drop off our luggage, see if they'll
luggage and then
let us check in or not.
And I'm hungry, honey. Let's go. You
Yep.
eat breakfast and I don't.
Yeah, we passed McDonald's back there, which we don't want to go to.
No.
We passed Starbucks, which I do want to go to and get a mug. Yeah, I like their mugs. And I saw another coffee place on this street here.
At least we have Starbucks here.
Yeah, but we'll get some regular, good old Inca coffee too, Peruvian coffee.
Okay.
All the way walking up here. We just barely walked past it. And I double checked GPS and I was like, wait, we're right here. Now we're getting checked into our hotel lobby. This is, we had to go down 2 flights of stairs to get into here. Cute little lobby. And they offered us some coca tea. That must be their stash of coca leaves right there. Don't get those into your luggage.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
Well, you'll be made famous on To Catch a Smuggler.
Exactly.
You can have your own TV show, your own episode,
A Filipina.
and it comes from Cusco into Chicago. Oh, what does a drug sniffing dog find in your suitcase? So we're here a little early. Looks like there's a little dining room there through this little passageway. Come back out to the walking area here. Exits. Courtyard. And beautiful courtyard. I love the colors. 3 levels. 50s. So $100 is worth 27 US dollars about. The exchange rate is about 4 soles per dollar. So $1. So 4 soles for $1. Look at that. They had llamas on it. Llama. They have watermarks of whoever this guy is. Must be one of the El Presidentes.
I think I can leave my wallet. I put my credit card.
So interesting decorations on top of the hotel. Looking down the street towards Plaza de Armas. Here, smile. I don't know if it's a demonstration or just dance over here. Gotta get a little closer. Love all the bright colors. Look at that. Everyone's getting their picture taken. We should get our picture taken with them. Today is confirmation day at the church, so we have everybody dressed up in their best for confirmations. And I see and the ones going through confirmation wearing the red sachets around their neck. Smile. Yeah, all the dancing, the music's loud.
Yeah, it's very loud.
But all those costumes are pretty.
Look at that.
Look at those costumes.
Just only like one step. All they do is round and round and round.
Do you want to join them?
No, I'm okay.
You're okay?
Yeah.
So tell us about your hand. She had hand surgery last week, so that's why she has a bandage on her hand. But this is our first hour here at Cusco, and we're having fun so far, aren't we?
Yeah. We have a nice, this is the plaza, right?
Yeah, Plaza de Armas. We're in the Plaza
Yeah,
de
and
Armas.
our hotel is down there.
That's our.
Got a nice
up
place.
that way.
Oh, that way? No,
Yep.
that way, honey.
That way.
No, honey, it's in there.
No, it's not. Oh, maybe that way. Maybe that way. That way. Okay. What's that? That way. Our hotel is that way, right over there. Right there. Oops. Right there. Right there. Some lemonade. Ultimate coconut lemonade. And she got the citrus punch. The citrus punch looks pretty. Isn't that pretty, honey? That citrus punch?
Look at the photo.
It's almost as beautiful as you are.
Ultimate citrus punch.
Ultimate citrus punch. Okay.
It's too sweet for me. I like yours.
Yeah.
It's really good.
She liked mine. She made a really good face that she liked it. And she tried hers. Let me try hers.
It's like face citrus, like
Okay, take care. Smile.
Oh wait, take a picture. It's a beautiful view, honey.
Isn't it? This is our first Peruvian meal. It has some corn in it. There's some potatoes, and they have like hundreds and hundreds, thousands of varieties of potatoes here. Little chicken. I think I have some lamb in there too. Salad. And she ordered something that wasn't on the menu. Try to get some chicharrones.
Yeah, it's like a pork.
Pork.
Look at the corn. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Good. Very good. I like it.
How's the meat? Look at the legs. What did they call that one?
Let me try some of this.
It's like two different kind of meat.
Yeah, 3.
Oh, 3 different kind of meat. Wow.
Yeah, I think this is lamb here.
Yeah, that's good.
And this is like a pickle sauce.
Oh,
And I'm not sure what this is. It looks like mustard, but it's not mustard.
and look at the salad. Wow, it's very nice. Okay. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
This is our first
Good.
food.
So it could be in my video. Yep. I'm getting a close-up angle of this stonework here. Look how old this door is. Look at that. It's a massive door. Templo de la Compañía de Jesus. Look at the front of this building. See this one from across the square. We're going to take a walk through this. And this is right across the street from Starbucks. 10 soles?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Beautiful chapel. Look at that. The gold altar up here. All in gold. Going up the stairs. Oh, these are steep.
Steep.
How do you like this view?
It's beautiful, honey.
Yeah.
Yeah. That palpitation.
And we climbed up the stairs. What's the name of this cathedral again? I forget. Something de Jesus. Not allowed to take pictures inside, even though we snuck a few. But we're winded after climbing up the stairs. 2 sets of stairs. It's kind of like climbing a ladder. Get a nice view of the Plaza de Armas here.
Oh, this is the cathedral.
But yeah, I like those trees down there, right?
I know, look at the shape.
Look how they're
That
bent.
shape, yeah. Especially the two one. Why do you have a good flower in it?
Looks like there might be a grave or something down there
Oh.
between those trees. Sort of what it looks like.
That's why they have the dance this morning. They have program this morning. Yeah, probably.
This is one of the side streets right off of the plaza. Got all the flags there. I don't know where they have the Italian flag. Got different types of stones here. This must be Spanish here. Built on top of reconstructive original Inca. Because they got mortar in between it. Museum. Look at the stones here.
This is the
Yeah, look at the cobblestone streets.
this regular walk.
Yep.
You want to?
Yeah. And that is a 12-sided stone right there. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be, judging from the pictures. Pretty good size. So it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be.
You want to do it?
I like their advertisement. All you need is here in this shop.
Yeah.
Mm. Oh, look at you. You get to hold a baby one.
Take picture, okay?
Picture, 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 picture. There you go. Look at these little cuties.
Together, Babs.
Look at that little cutie one.
We'll take picture together.
Bride, I think it is. With the groom. What do you think of the view, honey?
It's amazing, honey.
So what were you saying when you're walking into the plaza? Wow.
It's always wow because you know we never been here,
Yeah.
and at least
Time is
we
about.
decide to walk because we're planning to stay because we got a bad headaches and
Yeah. We
well,
took, we
we're
took a nap.
hungry. Take a nap. I think we sleep like almost 3 hours.
A couple hours, yeah.
Yeah.
A few
But
hours.
look at this view.
So this is Plaza de Armas, about 8 o'clock at night.
I thought it's gonna be quiet than the morning, but look at all these people.
Yeah, a lot of people out,
Wow.
all lit up.
Wow.
Restaurants are open. We might have to go somewhere and grab something to eat.
Well, let's go to the Starbucks.
Kind of chilly, so we're going to get some hot chocolate from Starbucks. I like how they spelled my name phonetically. John.
Yeah. So cool.
All right, so I guess Susio Street is where all the bars are at. So before, when we're walking up this afternoon, it's pretty quiet here. I can hear the music, and in front of, there's a crowd in front of each bar down there. I'll zoom in a little bit so we can see, just packed wall-to-wall people.
And I think every each street they have like, for example, our street is like a bar or dancing. The
Yeah.
other street is like a restaurant. The other one is all the
Yeah, well, these are all bars and dancing here.
I know,
People
but
doing
I think every street like
has their own theme.
they have their own thing.
A little bit, yeah. So definitely a lot of energy on the street.
Yeah.
A lot of security down there. A lot of bouncers in front of the bars trying to get us in, but that's not our style. So